The most fascinating thing about the mojito is its rich history. The mojito originates from Cuba. Our alumni Scott recently traveled to Cuba, the home of Ernest Hemingway's bar and the mojito. Today we are challenging Scott to beat my version of the mojito with the original recipe and techniques. Let's take the challenge. Scott starts off with adding 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, followed by 1 ounce of honey. They do not muddle the lime juice due to the potential of breaking the pith. Scott adds a splash of soda to help mix the honey and lime juice. This helps when stirring the ingredients. Scott muddles the stem, not the mint leaves, as the majority of the flavor comes from the stem. He then adds 2 ounces of Havana Club 7 rum. Scott tops the drink with soda water and gives the mojito one last stir. The winner is 5-4 in favor of Elite Bartending School Orlando. Well done, Scott. So close.